morning to all. It's Republic Day celebration today, the historical day to remember. Our national heroes and freedom fighters who suffered to give us a republic nation. This Republic Day, I want to be fearless again. I want to look high in the sky and delimit the horizons again. On this auspicious occasion today, we, on behalf of our headmistress, Mrs. Anu Sehgal, accord a warm welcome to Honorable Soumya Ma'am, parents, dear students, and all staff members. We now take you to the flag hoisting ceremony, and I request all our viewers to please rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय।
Dear children, we all know that you are missing school, but we all have decorated our school just as we always do here. छब्बीस जनवरी फिर है आई, मन में नई उमंगे लाई, फिर तिरंगा लहराएगा, विश्व गगन पर छा जाएगा। आज के दिन गणतंत्र बना है, संविधान हमारा स्वतंत्र बना है, प्रजातंत्र ये स्वतंत्र हमारा, मिलकर ये गणतंत्र बना है। On this occasion, I request Soumya Ma'am to please address our viewers.
A very warm morning to all present. A very, very happy Republic Day. And yes, a very happy New Year. This is the first time I'm meeting all our little ones this year. And I must say, children, that your perseverance in the year that has gone by has really been remarkable, outstanding. It has been a challenging year for all of us, but your resilience, your effort, your determination has really helped everyone to sail through. It is not easy at your age to be indoors, to give up your outdoors, to live and try to lead an outdoor life within the indoor environment as tried best by your educators and your parents. And looking at this determination, I must say that we all feel very rest assured that you are true brave soldiers. You are our true brave soldiers, and the future of the country is definitely in safe hands. It is a very unique celebration. I think a celebration which will go down in the history of Bluebells Preparatory School. But yes, your vibrant presence always makes it come alive, even on a virtual platform. And I'm also very happy to share with all our parents and our children over here that our preschool Bean Sprouts at Sector 50 has been ranked All India Level 2 for Campus Design Excellence and ranked position number 1 in the city of Gurugram and Haryana for Campus Design Excellence. The year definitely has started bringing in good cheer. And yes, another happy news came in for us at Bluebells, for the entire Bluebells family in the beginning of the year. Bluebells Model School, Sector 4, got first rank for STEAM education all over India. And yes, the foundation for that is always been laid here with our little buds at Bluebells Preparatory School. It is this work, this effort, which begins right in the beginning, which makes our children achieve those laurels as they sail through life ahead. So congratulations to one and all. Congratulations, our dear parents who've always stood by us for all our endeavors and especially in the past year. Wish you all a very, very happy Republic Day once again. And yes, kiddos, don't give up your efforts. Continue to exercise all precautions. And I'm sure now the day is not far when we will all be together at the school campus, bringing it alive. Stay home, stay blessed. Good luck. Thank you.
Good morning and thank you, ma'am. It's a proud moment for all of us at Bluebells. We all feel really proud to be associated with the Bluebells family, ma'am. And congratulations to all on this wonderful feat that we've achieved. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing the news with us and for inspiring our little ones by being here with us today, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. On this occasion, may I now request our headmistress, Mrs. Anu Sehgal, to please address our audience.
Thank you, Pramila. A very good morning to all on this our virtual celebration of India's 72nd Republic Day, and wishing you a very happy new year too. I take the pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our revered guest, Madam Soumya Gulati, and our esteemed parents and my dear students and staff. Today is the day when every Indian must come together to show the whole world that this nation is the best nation under the sun. The Constitution is the backbone of a country, and we must be thankful that India has such a powerful Constitution. The Constitution gave us faith, freedom, peace, and pride. So let Republic Day be a celebration of unity, celebration of freedom, celebration of pride. It is our duty to make sure that we create responsible and patriotic citizens. My dear students, may you all uphold the glory of your nation and grow up to make your nation proud as responsible citizens of India. I hope that the year 2021 brings an end to the pandemic and a return to normalcy. May peace and happiness be abundant throughout every corner of every nation, and may these precious gifts last forever as we commemorate Republic Day today. I know we have all been going through tough times, and with the cooperation of parents, our little students, how they stood by, how they took this challenge. The song Hum Honge Kamyab, we shall overcome, is for all of us, all of you, and we have almost come over. We have done it, and I'm sure that very soon, as Soumya ma'am said, we will be together. Children, this school, the building is missing you. Every moment, whenever we have any celebration, we just look here and there for you, and we really miss you immensely. God bless my children, and I wish you are very healthy, safe, and we meet soon again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. सबके अधिकारों का रक्षक अपना ये गणतंत्र पर्व है। लोकतंत्र ही मंत्र हमारा, हम सबको अब इस पर ही गर्व है। Our very zealous Bluebellians, with all the enthusiasm and fervor, have come together on this virtual platform to celebrate this national festival even in these challenging times.
Warm greetings on the occasion of 72nd Republic Day. 26 January 1950 is one of the most important days in Indian history. It was on this day that the Constitution of India came into force and India became a republic. The country finally realized the dream of Mahatma Gandhi and the numerous freedom fighters who fought for the country and sacrificed their lives. People from various walks of life gather at the Rajpath to watch the ceremony and cheer the participants. There is a 21-gun salute in honor of our president as he arrives at the dais, guarded by the cavalry unit of the president's bodyguards. The president of our country unfurls the national flag, which is followed by the national anthem. Thank you. Army helicopters shower rose petals on Rajpath to welcome the guests. The President, as the Supreme Commander of our Defence Force, then takes a salute of the march past of the Army, Navy and Air Force. India's march in the field of surface and air defence is displayed as the tanks and missiles rode past the presidential dais saluting the president. The colorful parades, dances by school children and state tablets are displayed. Children who win National Bravery Award ride past the dais of elephants. The ceremony ends with the flypast of the fighter planes with a trail of the colored smoke forming the tricolor. All other states and union territories of India also celebrate this national festival with the governors of the respective state unfurling the national flag in the state capital. This day is observed as a national holiday. All Indians rejoice and celebrate this day. Thank you. The Republic Day Parade 2021 will witness major changes due to COVID-19 pandemic. For the first time, the parade will not culminate at the Red Fort. This year, the parade will end at National Stadium. Every year, the parade covers a distance of 8.5 kilometers. But the Republic Day Parade in 2021 will only march for a distance of 3.5 kilometers to maintain social distancing between the marching contingents. Participants of the parade will be placed at a longer distance, abiding by the protocols. The number of individuals in each contingent will also be cut short, with only 96 members in place of 144 members in each contingent. All marching participants and performers will be wearing masks during the parade. Today, we, the students of Bluebells Preparatory School, are here to celebrate Republic Day. The youngest members of our school will now present Frontline Heroes. needed the sugar cane. I am the Deputy Commissioner. I coordinated with all the service during this tough time. I am the analyst. I am getting observations and news all over the world. Thank you. I am a scientist. While everyone was worried about the new disease, I was planning to make a vaccine. By doing lot of research work. Thank you.
That was indeed a delightful performance by our little ones. Today, on this occasion, we at Bluebells salute our saviors. The nation is indebted to all the doctors, nurses, and other health workers who have been frontline warriors in this fight against the coronavirus.
Patriotic songs have the inherent quality of stirring up love and respect for the country. So now, our little kids of LKG are presenting a patriotic song that celebrates the patriotism we all got from our freedom fighters. Let's move on to pay gratitude to our freedom fighters.
Hello, my India. I love my India.
Wow, what a melodious performance. स्वर्ग अगर है कहीं धरा पर, तो है सिर्फ यहाँ। तू ही दुनिया की धरती का नंदन मेरे देश, वंदन मेरे देश, तेरा वंदन मेरे देश। Yoga is a science of well-being, a science of integrating body, mind, and soul. So now, students of UKG will present Stretch in Synergy. that was a perfect blend of body, mind, and soul. Yoga is essential for the general well-being of all and should be a part of our daily lives for a better and healthier future.
ये देश हमारा है, हमारा है, हमारा। इस देश का कण-कण हमें प्यारा, हमें प्यारा। इस देश के इतिहास में गौरव की कथाएं, इस देश के बलिदान की चलती है हवाएं। इस देश ने उपकार है हम पर बहुत किए, इसीलिए हम हैं देश के लिए। हर सांस करे देश के गौरव का पसारा। ये देश हमारा है, हमारा है, हमारा। है भारत की शान तिरंगा, इसे न झुकने देंगे हम। वीरों की कुर्बानी को व्यर्थ न जाने देंगे हम। भारत माँ के सेवक है हम, माँ की रक्षा हम करेंगे। बुरी नियत से जो देखेगा हम उसका अंत करेंगे। Now grade 1 students are here to present a musical drama on patriotism, Naman Hindustan.
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
हाँ बेटा, अपना ख्याल रखना और जीत के ही आना।
टूटी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदियां हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदियां हर मैदान फतेह।
आज पूरा देश क्रोधित है, पूरा देश आक्रोशित है और पूरा देश गुस्से से उबल रहा है।
जम्मू कश्मीर के अवंतीपुरा में आतंकियों ने सीआरपीएफ के काफिले पर हमला किया है।
ये हमला 2016 में उड़ी में हुए आतंकवादी हमले से भी बड़ा है और इसने पूरे भारत के धैर्य और सब्र को तोड़कर रख दिया।
हेलो, आई एम सो सॉरी, आपके बेटे पुलवामा अटैक में शहीद हो गए।
मैं ना लौटा आने वाले साल जो मेरी वर्दी बोले मेरा हाल तो नैना अश्क न हो ये समझना मैं हूँ मजबूर नैना अश्क न हो नैना अश्क न हो। मैं ना लौटा आने वाले साल जो मेरी वर्दी बोले मेरा हाल तो नैना अश्क न हो ये समझना मैं हूँ मजबूर नैना अश्क न हो नैना अश्क न हो।
तुमने हमारे जवानों के लहू से वैलेंटाइन डे मनाया है और अब हम आतंकवादियों के भस्म से महाशिवरात्रि मनाएंगे। अब तांडव होगा।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी तुझसे जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा बन के कफन जब तुरया तन के मौत नू बचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे खल्ला बन के कफन जब तुरया तन के मौत नू बचा पूछे पागल था वो कौन, तो भगत सिंह और क्रांतिकारियों का चेला और इंकलाब का गुलाम लिख देना। और बचा हो जो जिस्म में लहू मेरे, निकालना उसे, फेंकना जमीन पे और माँ तुझे सलाम लिख देना।
Was indeed an awesome and touching performance with a message that never forget the real heroes who sacrificed their lives to bring up this glorious day to India. ऋणी हैं हम उन जवानों के जो सरहदों पर अपना जीवन बिताते हैं। फर्ज के नाम पर देखो कैसे यह वीर मुस्कुराकर मौत को गले लगाते हैं। Moving to our next presentation, we have the very patriotic students of grade 2 presenting our national anthem, Our Pride.
Our national anthem, Our Pride, signifies that despite differences in culture, religion, and languages, India is united under one flag. The Indian national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was written on 11 December by Rabindranath Tagore and adopted as the national anthem of India on 24 January 1950. A formal rendition of the national anthem takes 52 seconds. Today, we, the students of class 2, are here to explain the meaning of our national anthem.
You are the ruler of our minds, God of India's destiny. Your name inspires. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, Orissa, Bengal. Vindhyas, Himalayas, Yamuna, Ganga. It's chanted by Indian Ocean. We pray for God your blessings. Sing your praise. Our protection is in your hands. God of India's destiny. May you get victory. Victory.
With the blessings of all our elders, let us hope that we keep on learning more. हरी भरी धरती हो, नीला आसमान रहे, फहराता तिरंगा चांद तारों के समान रहे। त्याग शूर वीरता मानता का मंत्र है, मेरा यह देश एक अभिनव गणतंत्र है। भंडार संपदा का हर पर्वत यहाँ रहा, पानी नहीं नदियों में, पानी नहीं नदियों में जीवन यहाँ बहा। मोती उड़ता है यह सिंधु भी खारा, यह देश हमारा है हमारा। ये देश मेरी आन है, यह तिरंगा मेरी शान है। ये फौजी हीरो मेरे देश के, धड़कते दिल इनको देख के।
It was a wonderful performance. हर तरफ देखो लग रहा जय हिंद का नारा है, लिए तिरंगा हाथ में देश झूम रहा आज सारा है। आओ कि आया राष्ट्र पर गणतंत्र हमारा है, नमन मां भारती तुझे, दिया राष्ट्र पर प्यारा है।
Today, on this occasion, on behalf of our headmistress, Mrs. Annu Sehgal, I extend a sincere thanks to Madam Soumya Gulati, Deputy Director, Academic Development and Innovation, Bluebells Group of Schools, for gracing the occasion with her benign presence. We all at Bluebells Preparatory School look up to your guidance and support in all our endeavors, ma'am. Dear parents, thank you for joining in the celebrations today. Dear parents, we are always indebted to you for having so much of faith and confidence in us. We are overwhelmed with your feedback on various events and activities. You are the strongest support with which we bring out miracles with our children. 1,000 salutes to all in this great nation of ours. May we make it become even more prosperous and great. Let us take a pledge that we would not let the efforts of our brave freedom fighters go in vain and strive to make our country the best in the world. We wish you all Happy Republic Day.
Pramila, I just want to speak something. I'm, helpless now. Without speaking, I can't leave the place, can't, log off. I just want to congratulate from all the members of the management, our director ma'am, vice chairman sir, all deputy directors, everybody, that all the parents a very happy Republic Day and all our children a very happy Republic Day. As I said, we shall overcome, we have overcome. Actually, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम तो कामयाब हैं. हमने हर चैलेंज को देखना है and we have done it. Our children are always the best and they do the best. Congratulations to all my little ones and God bless you children. Thank you parents for all your support, all your motivation every time. Thank you so much. It's our management that we keep on putting up such shows with your support and the motivation, encouragement that we get from them to show the best to everybody, every time in all small and big events. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind. God bless.
Jai Hind.